RAID recovery services are some of the most critical data recovery services that Hard Drive Recovery Group offers, helping to keep businesses around the world online and ready for action. Each day, improperly backed up RAID servers crash due to multiple drive failures, prompting an emergency that can create panic in even the most hardened IT veterans. Because many RAID hard disk drive configurations are set up specifically for mission-critical applications such as Microsoft Exchange or Oracle database servers, restoring them can mean the difference between profit and loss for many companies. But restoring a RAID array without the proper equipment and know-how can be incredibly risky. This is valuable data we're talking about, and one wrong move can make for permanent data loss. If you need RAID data recovery, you'll want a team of RAID recovery engineers with the experience that comes with recovering hundreds of RAID servers per year for over 3 decades. Our expedited and remote RAID restoration services are particularly popular, as these services make restoring your server our #1 priority and guarantee full recovery in 48 hours or less. Plus, our RAID recovery services come with the Hard Drive Recovery Group's exclusive guarantee. If we can't recover your data, there is no charge. So don't get left out in the cold. Call Hard Drive Recovery Group for RAID recovery services today.